Kisii nigo amayanda na magombo abwatainsa sekenyoro kya Nyaure iyo gotoka ase wodi ya Nyakoime bunge ya Kitutu Chache South asomoyega bwoko mwenia omu evangeliste the Motondieki uyobo igorenke omoroki wa ase skuru ya bamura ya sekondari ya Nyambaria nonya nabo nigo mokonyi bwo mwarimu ase skuru yo ya Nyambaria kefogega abaga gutuguterare chinguma na nigo moroki wo yobeteka gusiria obugima bwaye kare ase skuru baigo nigo abari abaikirana eri okorwa engora yabo baba kumotoyenya gusira asogote babuna nigo arenge omwana orenge na maskani umurikeito Josephat Amisi naikirana sumuyigo yo
nomoyega bwoko mwenia evangelist Ndizi kemaiga uyorenge omoroki wa skuru ya Nyambaria gati ya bali banyarako bagwikirana se omuyego iboko mwenia evangelist Ndizi nomokonyi bo mwarimu omonena se skuru ya Nyambaria kefogega uyo nyarako bogotugutera are chinkume cyanyarako bachiko bwato kagwetera ase mitandao una nigo Timothy anyarate ko bagusira ubugima bwae ase skuru yo engana hianyarako bekwegwa okoboko na tatu mwabo Timothy Isaiah Kimaiga.
It's important to do it. We have not regarded social media because some of the social media people are gather press people who want to have their own agenda. With us and the family, we have worked together. That is reigning is that this boy was sound until on Sabbath night after he had done every activities I've already hinted from the beginning. When he complained that he was suffering from headache when they were going to sleep. And then in the morning, the boy came and said, I think this headache is persistent. We have a school sanatorium. The boy went there, was attended by a school nurse, and he gave him some remedies. Hoping he will be well. But at 10 again, he said, no, this headache is becoming persistent. At this particular moment, the Mr. Israel was called, as I have already said, and they called the father whom they know one another. And
so now within na school in Chemoire Korwe school, akabera nyakitara matukabere, alafu akamanya gotimoka. So teri buna news yako minyokabuna mwana asirete school, mwana atikele school, igomo rusitioro, but principal yatate, he was okay up to Saturday. Actually I saw metinero muraiwo wa spirit
ase omuyego yo nigo mamo mwabo Timothy Ndizi anyarako baga komwatora nga omwana orenge omwegweri nabo igo oyo bwatete amachiko anene yenga yabo engana boigo anyarako bekwegwa okoboko nabalisia be kanisa ya Amani ase Timothy arenge koba gagoikirana.
He was the second born of the family, but alipokuwa hapa anaonekana kama ndiye first born. So amekuwa akifuruta wengine kwa mambo mengi, like going to seminars. Timothy asipokumbuka kama kuna semina, wengine hata wakumbuka kama semina iko. Akitayarisha kuenda, wengine wanafuata. Kanisani yeye ndio wa kwanza, anaamka asubuhi, ananiita.
Mwana was somebody who was really devoted, ase kasi ya Nyasaye. Na ndena bwato munguso from the youth section. Pono tera musabire na twa kole mirobeli yawe kera bono iga we really play at Moga in peace. Na tsabire family to college. Nyasaye had a plan ye mirobeli yons piem namne yekera nitaiga.
Etania iyo no mumura Nyasaye teke go kyobani. Ore koigero bani buya se miaka yaye bakoeta no nyini twa banta bane bali twa bali to koigera. Igo namanyeta mangana mange none
ase amayanda amaneno goichana nigo aborokia kurwa ase skuru ya Nyambaria boigo batabiri banyarako bagusiria omwana we chinguru na boigo oyo bwate amaskani chinga kichonsi arenge ase skuru yo
ono mwana na bwata sekeraskia no rengo muya orego nkonya chinsemo nyingi ase kerasi ekyo in particular ekerato gutwara Vespas programs no mwana ore kuorokereria especially sense moyo bani na nero ore kuorokereria bande una bakuigeria lesson.
Hata sijui kama nina la kusema ya kwamba tumempoteza mwanafunzi ambaye alikuwa na jikaza sana kimasomo na pia katika hali ya kumtukuza Mungu. Kwa Kwa hivyo tumempoteza, tunaomba Mungu aweze akamweka mahali pema.
Believe that God will rest his soul in eternal peace.
Kuripotera gataseni kia Ndizi TV kurwa ase Kenyoro kia Nyoero igigutoka ime sublocation ya Bunyagatani ime location ya Nyakoe county ya Kisii. Eliterana Josephat Hamesi.